Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Can Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Gaggia Classic espresso machine. After the tune-up, it comes to me, it was clogged from the group head. It builds a lot of coffee and scale on there. So replace the shower screen, this one here, and the group head gasket. It's easy to get cracked. It's really old. So scale the machine, deep clean for the steam wand. Let's go ahead and test it, make an espresso shot on it. Let's do it from this angle. For some reason they put a pressurized basket on this porter filter for this machine. It works okay, but with the regular baskets I believe it's better. Okay, still makes a great shot with a thick crema and tasty. So let's test the steamer. It needs a bit to get really hot. That's great. Thank you for watching.